lang pero magkaiba sila ng hirap. PBB really taught me how to work under pressure at a very, very young age. Yung PBB naman, I really learned how to become stronger, mas maging matatag, and to be patient with myself and the world.
River talaga. Why? Kasi since day one talaga nagkaintindihan na kami. Same kami ng hobbies, same kami ng values. So, yeah, sobrang bait ng taong yun ni River at isa rin yun sa talagang hinahanap ko sa best friend ko sa isang kaibigan.
Ako with you, patient.
Ako with Bianca, strong.
Nag-shopping po. Namili po kami ng damit and pabango.
Siya bumili siya ng damit, ako bumili ako ng perfume.
And then we ate together. As duos. Most challenging po, well, magkaiba po kasi kami ng strengths ni Dustin. Ang pinaka naging mahirap po sa akin was the secret room. Kasi hindi po talaga ako built sa ganong klaseng endurance. So talagang medyo nag-suffer po talaga ako noon. Aminado naman po ako noon. Most memorable naman for me, I think I'd say siguro yung mga last 3 big jump challenges, kahit hindi man kami nagtagumpay doon, it really built a stronger foundation for Dustin and I as Kuya's duo. So with that, we're very, very grateful.
For me, pinakamahirap na task, that would be yung bawal magsalita. Ang tawag dun?
The OA.
The OA. Super hirap eh. Kasi ako mahilig ako makipag-usap. Tapos, mahilig rin ako mag-react. So, for me talaga yun yung pinakamahirap. Sobrang na-challenge ako mentally and physically. So, pinaka-memorable naman for me, lahat ng task kasama ko sa Bianca, of course. Siyempre, mas binibigay ko yung best ko, of course, kasi gusto ko talagang mapanalo yung mga tasks na yun with Bianca. And siguro last stretch na yun eh, kumbaga talagang mas humirap talaga yung mga challenges. So sumakto kasama ko si Bianca na yun.
Maraming salamat! Hello! Acting ang totohanan. Dustin, 1 to 10, ilan ang naging girlfriend mo sa showbiz? First. Dustin, kinikilig ako kay Bianca kapag...
Nakasmile siya.
Oh, Bianca, sassy, saucy.
Sassy.
Makeup, dress up.
Dress up.
Singkit, tisoy.
Singkit.
May abs, may angas. Kinikilig ako kay Dustin kapag... Sa inyong dalawa, sino ang mas madalas tumitig?
Dustin.
Mas madalas makipag-holding hands. Mas madalas kumaka. Mas madalas kumis. Wala pa. Nanguhuli na po. Lights on or lights off? Go!
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Best time for happiness and chocolates. Every day.
Every day.
Okay, complete the sentence. Salamat sa PBB kasi.
Salamat sa PBB because you really made me a better person.
Salamat sa PBB because you made me stronger.
Okay.
Ako po, this is only my second time talking to Tito Boy. Pero every time I do get the chance to talk to him, for some reason, gumagaan po talaga yung loob ko. Nakikinig kasi talaga siya and he's able to give us advices that we'll be able to carry on for the rest of our career. So, sobrang papasalamat po talaga kami kay Tito Boy for this opportunity.
Super nervous ako bago mag-start. But then, nung kinausap ako ni Tito Boy kami while we're doing the interview, grabe, sobrang bait niya at Parang sarap niya kausap.